Designing a product is designing a relationship. Every product we use is the product of design. UID's product design course molds designers who craft relevant products that fulfill customers' needs and solve problems. Learn the art of creating useful, innovative and artisanal products. Sharpen your imagination, creativity, critical thinking and technical knowledge. The course includes design development, ideation, sketching, 3D rendering techniques, presentation and communication skills, ergonomics, aesthetics and technical documentation. We help you create a bridge between creativity and marketability. Acquire marketing capabilities to strategize, develop and promote prototypes and products using existing and new materials. Focus on emerging needs and create products that improve daily lives. Work with practicing designers and professionals. Be a product designer who makes lives better.